Ever wondered how those crispy, guilt-free baked potato chips are made? Step into the future of snacking with the latest advancements in baked potato chips production lines. From farm to crunch, the process begins with selecting the freshest, highest quality potatoes. These are then washed, peeled, and sliced to perfection. Instead of the traditional frying, the magic happens in a high-tech oven that uses hot air circulation to achieve that irresistible crunch with significantly less oil. The production line is a marvel of modern engineering, ensuring each chip is evenly baked and seasoned to perfection. With precision equipment and automated systems, quality and consistency are guaranteed in every bag. Say goodbye to greasy fingers and hello to healthier snacking options. Stay tuned for more behind the scenes looks at how your favorite snacks come to life.